In this video, we have been given that AB is 4, BC is 5. Then we have to find maximum possible area of rectangle PQSB. So PQSB, it is a rectangle. That means these angles, they will be 90 degrees. So this angle, it will be also 90 degrees, and this angle, it will be also 90 degrees. And now in triangle ABC and triangle APQ, we have angle ABC is equal to angle APQ, that is 90 degrees, and angle BAC, it is equal to angle PAQ, that is common. So triangle ABC, it will be similar to triangle APQ. Hence AB over AP, it will be equal to BC over PQ, and AB is 4 over AP, it is equal to BC is 5 over PQ, and from here we can get 4 over 5 is equal to AP over PQ. That means if AP is 4A, then PQ, it will be 5A. If AP is 4A, then PQ, it will be 5A. And also triangle ABC, it will be similar to triangle QSC, because one angle is 90 degrees and angle C is common. So AB over QS, it will be equal to BC over SC, and AB is 4 over QS, it is equal to BC is 5 over SC, and 4 over 5, it will be QS over SC. That means if QS is 4B, then SC, it will be 5B. If QS is 4B, then SC, it will be 5B. And now we know that PQSB, it is a rectangle. that means PB, it will be equal to QS, and QS is 4B. That means PB, it will be also 4B. And now we have AB is 4, and AB, it is AP plus PB, it is 4, and AP is 4A plus PB is 4B, it is 4, and it is 4 times A plus B is 4. So A plus B, it will be 1. And now if we use AM greater than equal to GM in A and B, then AM of A and B, it will be A plus B over 2. It will be greater than equal to, and GM of A and B, it will be A times B power 1 over 2, and A plus B is 1 over 2. It is greater than equal to A times B power 1 over 2, and 1 over 2 square, it will be greater than equal to AB power 1 over 2 square, and 2 will get cancelled, and it is 1 over 4 greater than equal to AB. So AB, it is less than equal to 1 over 4. That means maximum of AB, it is 1 over 4. When A is equal to B is equal to 1 over 2, and now area of PQSB, it will be PQ times QS, and PQ is 5A times QS, it is 4B, and it is 20 times AB. It is area of PQSB. So maximum area of PQSB, it will be 20 times maximum of AB, and it is 20 times maximum of AB is 1 over 4, and 4 times 5 is 20. So maximum area of PQSB, it is 5. It is 5.